In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder layers in CapCut PC. Whether you're just getting started with video editing or you're refining your skills, understanding how to manage the layering of clips, images, effects, and stickers is essential for creating polished and professional-looking videos. Layering determines the visual order of elements in your project, and getting it right can elevate your final product from good to outstanding. So let's dive in and see how you can easily adjust the order of layers in CapCut to achieve your desired look. If you're new to CapCut, it's a versatile and user-friendly video editing tool that's perfect for creating everything from basic clips to advanced projects. And if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to get started. To begin, open CapCut for PC. Once the program is running, locate the timeline at the bottom of the window. This is where all the magic happens. The timeline is the workspace where you'll see all the clips, images, effects, and stickers that make up your video project. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different tracks in the timeline, as they represent the layering of your elements. Now, before we start moving anything around, it's important to decide which elements you want to appear above or below others. This is based on your desired visual hierarchy. For example, if you're adding text or an effect that you want to overlay on top of a video, you'll need to place that element on a higher track. Remember, the tracks at the bottom of the timeline form the background, while the tracks higher up display elements that will appear on top. Keeping this in mind will help you determine the best arrangement for your project. Once you've decided on the order, find the specific clip or element you want to move. Click and hold that clip on the timeline. With the clip selected, drag it vertically up or down to the desired track. As you do this, you'll notice that CapCut has a snap to grid feature. This handy tool helps guide your clip into the correct position, ensuring it aligns properly with the other elements on the timeline. If you don't see the clip snapping into place right away, don't worry. Just make sure to release the mouse button when the clip is on the track you want. After you've dropped the clip onto the new track, head over to the preview window. This is where you can check how your adjustments look in real time. The preview will reflect the updated stacking order, so you can confirm that everything is positioned as you intended. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always make further adjustments. Repeat this process for any additional clips, images, or effects you need to reorder. Take your time to ensure each element is in the right position. If you notice that an element isn't visible or appears in the wrong place, double-check its track placement. Remember, the highest track at any given moment will always be the most visible in your final video. Once everything is in place, don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements. Sometimes, trying out a few variations can lead to a more dynamic and engaging composition. And if you make a mistake, CapCut allows you to undo changes easily, so you can quickly tweak the order again if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to reorder layers in CapCut PC to create the perfect visual hierarchy for your project. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.